Wondering when's the best time to visit Amsterdam? Honestly, we locals think there's never a bad time to come to Amsterdam because there's always something going on. And just look at this! So in this video, we're going to break down the pros and cons of traveling to Amsterdam at different times of the year so you can figure out what's best for you.
If you're new here, we're Rachel and Alexandra from Who is Amsterdam. We're your Amsterdam travel guides helping you explore this beautiful city beyond the typical. And make sure you stay until the end because we have a very special freebie for you which will help you to get the most out of your stay. Let's dive in.
If you're watching your wallet and you want to avoid sky-high accommodation and flight rates, definitely avoid traveling to Amsterdam in summer, around Christmas and New Year's. If you're looking for cheap flight and accommodation options, then definitely come in November, early of December, January and February especially. The prices are typically at its lowest.
So the first thing you need to know about the weather in Amsterdam is this.
It's like a box of chocolate. You never know what you're going to get.
It can be sunny one minute and rainy the next. So prepare for all weathers and make sure you always have waterproof gear with you.
Cause you never know.
If you prefer to catch more sun, of course come in spring and especially summer. Autumns are usually the rainiest time of the year. Our winters are pretty mild, however it can get cold due to the mighty winds.
Amsterdam has more than 300 festivals a year and there's so much to choose from. So here are our top picks for events and activities you can't miss for each season.
So winter is a very beautiful season to visit if you want to do, of course, wintry stuff like ice skating at our museum square or visiting a Christmas market. What is also really nice is to visit one of our brown bars, get a nice hot chocolate because Amsterdam is very cozy in winter time.
A winter event you don't want to miss is the Amsterdam Light Festival, which takes place between December and January. The best way to see it is on the water. That's why we recommend taking a boat tour with our friends, those damn boat guys. They have covered boats, it's heated, it's cozy. You don't want to miss this.
If you're planning to visit Amsterdam around Valentine's Day, actually that's a really great idea because the city is so beautifully romantic and we know just the person to hook you up with. Please, please, please do a romantic tour of Amsterdam with Rocco. He's an amazing storyteller who will take you out of the canals and share some beautifully romantic stories about the city. So it's really highly recommended. Thousands of people already joined his tour and we don't want you to miss out on that. And you can find the links to the tours of those and boat guys and romantic tour Amsterdam down below. Spring is a very popular season to visit because of our world famous tulip season. Between March and the beginning of May, 7 million bulbs are popping. They're so beautiful. You can't even imagine how it feels like to see these beautiful, never-ending fields of this beautiful flower. And of course, you can get a ticket from the Keukenhof, the biggest tulip garden we have. Great, but if you want the personal experience, we recommend you to go with our friend Leander. Leander in real life is a firefighter, so in safe hands, and next to that, he loves to show visitors around and especially take them to the tulip fields. So he will show you some beautiful tulip fields you cannot easily find on your own. He will share the stories of the farmers, the history of the tulip. You will know at the end everything what you need to know. It's a very beautiful and personal experience you will get. So the link to Leander's tour you can easily find just down below.
Another event you can't miss is, of course, King's Day!
Yay!
It's the day we celebrate our King Willem Alexander's birthday. On that day, the entire country turns orange, the whole city becomes a flea market and also a street party. So if you want to go Dutch for one day, join us on the 27th of April. Summer is a great time to visit, especially if you're a culture vulture and a music lover. So there's tons of music festivals happening all around, but one of our favorites is definitely Milkshake Festival. It's an inclusive, multi-genre music festival. That's quite a mouthful. And actually it's happening in July. It's in conjunction with our Canal Pride, which takes place every first Saturday of August. Canal Pride is a super special event because Amsterdam is the first city in the world to legalize gay marriage.
Yay! It's one of the biggest parties actually we have in Amsterdam. Everybody is celebrating love in whatever form it comes. How it should be. If you're a fan of classical jazz or world music, you don't want to miss the Grachten Festival, aka the Canal Festival. It's usually happening mid of August with 250 concerts along the canals and at beautiful, unexpected locations in Amsterdam.
If you are an electronic music lover, definitely do not miss the world's biggest electronic dance party that is called ADE, aka Amsterdam Dance Event, which is happening every October. You know this one's gonna be good, especially because some of the world's best DJs are Dutch, like Tiesto and Hartwell. So waka waka.
Want to party in the museum, for example, near Van Gogh's world famous sunflowers? Then you don't want to miss our museum night in November. Museum hop and party till late at 50 museums where culture, music come together to create an unforgettable night.
Woo! That's really quite a list. And guess what? It's just the tip of the iceberg. So you see, there's really no best time to visit Amsterdam. It's always a good time.
Now we have a special freebie for you. You can download our free 24-hour itinerary, which will help you to get the most out of your stay. The link is simply down below.
If you like this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to get more awesome Amsterdam content from us.
Thanks for watching. We're Alexandra and Rachael from Who is Amsterdam, and we're looking forward to see you in our next video. Summertime and the weather is sunny.